Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. In this quick guide I will show you how to change your Bybit password very easily. So my friends, you go to your basically account, then click on your email. You'll be dropped on this particular page. After that guys, as you can see, mine is unwrapped. You just need to press on this little arrow down, then go to security. It's very easy. And as you can see, under security, we have login password, and this is your spot where you change your password. It's very, very easy, guys. So just where you have the field login password, press on change. And in here, guys, just insert your new password in the both fields. After that, confirm, and you're basically done. Also, don't forget that you might be sent an email with a confirmation code onto your current email so that you basically confirm that it's your account. And that's pretty much it. Very easy. Only takes a few clicks. Guys, enjoy the video. Hopefully this simple tutorial helped you out. Like and subscribe. See you next time.